how to add this PC on desktop Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, I'll be showing to you guys two ways on how to add this PC on your desktop. So let's start with the first one. So the first one, or the first method, what you want to do is go to your File Explorer. Once you are in your File Explorer, just head over to desktop right here. And then once you're in desktop, what you want to do now is to click on this arrow right here on the top left corner. There you go. And then once you're here, you will see this icon right here that says this PC. So what you want to do now is to just simply drag this to your desktop. And then there you go. You now have this PC on your desktop. Moving on, let's move on to method number 2. So I'll just delete this real quick. There you go. So for method number 2, what you want to do now is to just simply go to your Windows settings. So to do that, just click on this Windows icon right here or the start button. Once you're here, just simply click on the settings icon right here, and then you'll be redirected here in your settings. So once you're here, what you want to do now is go to your search bar right here and then just search up for themes. After searching it up, just click on themes and related settings. Next, just click on desktop icon settings right here. And then from here, what you want to do now is to click on desktop icons. And then under desktop icons, just click on computer right here. And then after that, just simply click on apply, click on OK. And then you can now exit out of here. And then when you go to your desktop, as you can see that this PC is now here. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So that's pretty much it on how to add this PC on desktop in Windows 11.